everybody, my name is Michelle from Knitaway. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to arm knit in double a beautiful Snood. So here we go. What we need to do is we've got both ends here. It's doing a slip knot, so just turn it down like that. So we're making a circle, alright? So just pull your yarn out like that, gently. And then, can you see how we've got the circle? So then, just put your hand through and pull that up. Okay, like that. There we go. Can you see? Slip knot. That's your tail end, so we're not going to be using that. So put that to that side like that. Then what we do is we're going to, with your straight through there, like that. And then what we're going to do, I'm leaving this on here. Normally you probably have that on the floor. So what you do now, you've got it onto your wrist. Cast on, and we're going to cast on 4 double stitches because this is classed as a double. Get the twist the yarn like that, twist it. Can you see? Twist, and then you palm of your hand, slide it through. So slide it through there like that and then pull it. It might be easier if you do have your ball of wool on the floor, okay? So what we're going to do, just pull it. Can you see how I've just pulled that one? So again, just get it like that, and then you're going to twist it. Can you see? Twist it, put your hand through it like that, and then pull gently, just so that you can slide it up and down your arm. So one more. So we're going to twist it, put your arm through it like that, and then pull it. There we go. We have now 4 double stitches. What we're going to do is we're going to knit. So you've got your thumb, your arm down like that, thumb over there, put your yarn over your thumb, that stitch there, can you see? Right, we're going to pull that right over. So we've still got it on his thumb, yeah? Let that go, and then with that hand, almost like praying hands, slide it into the thumb stitch. Put it through there like that, slide it onto your arm. And then what you're going to do, just keep getting a bit of yarn every so often, and then just pull it tight, not too tight, just enough to slide up and down. So the next one, put it over your thumb, pull the next one over. So again, let that go, praying hands through that stitch that's on your thumb. So then just again, just pull it slightly. Again, on your thumb, pull that one over, let that go. So you've got that on your thumb, that's your thumb, praying hand through the thumb, there we go, just pull it, there we go. So on your thumb, pull it over, through, there we go. So just keep pulling it just so that it's nice and not too tight, but they're your 4 double first knitted stitches. So that's your loose, your yarn tail end. All right, so we're going to do exactly the same again. So what you do is just keep pulling your yarn every so often. So what we're going to do, pull it over your thumb, over, let that go when it goes over. That is the praying hand. Put it through there like that, slide it through, and then again, just make sure that you keep pulling this so that it's just tight enough, okay, so you can go up and down your hand. So again, on your thumb, can you see, pull it over, let that slip go, off your thumb, slide that through, there we go. That's so easy. So pull again, over your thumb, pull it over, praying hand through there, so you know that that's the way to do it. So then, okay, so over there, pull it over, through there. So you can see now we're getting stitches, yep. So just pull it, so that's nice and neat. So again, over your thumb, pull it over, through there. Every so often keep pulling your yarn like I say, so it makes it easier for you. So next one, over your thumb, pull it over, through, pull, there, pull it over, let that stitch go off your thumb, your praying hand through there, and then pull it. It's so easy. You've just, the thing is, just keep getting the tension right. That's the thing with your tension. So pull it over your thumb, pull it over, slide it through, just keep pulling that. So you'll see that we're getting stitches now. Can you see that they're like the knitted stitches? That's the wrong side, that's the right side. It's more bumpy on there. Can you see the bumps? And that's your right side. It's so lovely knitted up, so lovely. So over your thumb, pull it over, slide it through. One more. We'll keep doing this. So pull it so the tension's right, that. Pull it over your thumb, slide the praying hand through. And then we've done it again. Keep pulling your yarn, don't forget, so it doesn't get too tight. So over the thumb, pull it over, slide your hand. So pull it through, slide it, keep doing. Right, you've got to keep doing this now until you've got about 30 inches of yarn left at the end for the cast off. So I'm just going to keep doing this and showing you what to do. So over your thumb, keep pulling your yarn over. There we go. New one. Over your thumb. Over your thumb. So it's just practice. It's just practice, honestly. Just, it's so easy but so effective. So just, can you see? Here we go. So you've got your yarn there. So you can see. How lovely is that? So I'm just going to keep doing this until we get 30 inches left. Right, can you see? Let's show you on here. So how lovely is that? That is really, really nice. So I've got about 30 inches left. So what I'm going to show you now is I'm going to show you how to cast off. So first do your 2 stitches. So let's do 2 stitches. So we knit 1. Right again. 2. So we've now knitted 2 stitches. So what you do is with the second one there, pull it right over there, just over your arm like that, and then pull it. So then we'll knit another stitch to take over. So do the same again, pull that stitch right over, and then just give it a little bit of a pull to make sure your tension, you're pulling it tight. Last one, knit that, pull it over. So again, you're going to pull that over there to there. So then we've just got 1 stitch left. So what we're going to do, just take it off your arm, you've got that big stitch. So you're going to pull the loop the yarn right through the bit that you've got left, through here. I mean, you can do it a bit shorter if you decide that you want it not as long, and that's fine. So all you do now is just pull it. Just pull it. Keep pulling. Can you see your cast off? That's your cast off edge. Okay. Right, so we've got that. What we need to do now, you can either have it as a scarf or you can have it as a snood. I'm going to show you how to do, if you want to have it as a snood, how to have it as a snood. It's just as beautiful as a scarf. Can you see? Absolutely beautiful. Now, if you were going to do it as a scarf, all you would do with this is you would snip off at the end there, and then you just weave in these ends. Just cut it a little bit there, leaving enough to weave in some edges, and then you just weave in and out with the yarn. I'm now going to show you how to join it to make a snood. So what we need to do is put the two right sides together. So at that end there. So two right sides facing. Right, I'm just going to cut now the yarn to make just enough to be able to cut to sew it together there. So we need about, there we go, that much. There we go. So what we're going to do with this, so get your two edges together. You can see which is your edge there. So that one there, and then here, just put them together there. So all you're going to do, keep your two edges, keep them together, is feed it through there. Right, just put it through there like that. All you're doing really is sewing with your hand and not a needle. So just weave it through. So we're going to pull it through there, and then through that one. This is so easy, you'll be able to work this out. So keep them together, them two together, just keep sewing it through. So easy with your hands. So can you see, we're just weaving it through there. We're just basically sewing, but with our hands. So get your two edges together, make sure they're together, and then, oops, lost that there. So pull them now, just pull it tight. Not too tight because you don't want to gather it. Just make sure that you've got it all in, all right? So then just wrap it round again, the end bit, so that you're just making sure it's tight. And then what I would tend to do now is just pull it, yeah, that's it. Right, just snip it. Then what we'll do with these two is we will tie a knot. Not too tight because you're not going to gather it. Do a double knot. And then what I would be tempted to do now is just weave it in again. The ends, weave them in. Just weave them in and out. You will find where to weave them because it's so easy, just within the stitches, so that it makes it look nicer when it's on the other side as well, so you're not seeing any loose edges or anything. So just pull that, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to snip that, and then I'll just weave a bit in here. Keep weaving it in and out. This bit's so easy. You just work this out, it's so easy. Right, so then just snip it. Right, so let's just turn it round. Right, can you see? There you go, you can't even see that you've got a join. So what I'm going to do now, is just show you. And then what I do is, you can wrap it round again. Can you see? How beautiful is that? Oh, I just love it. It's lovely, isn't it? Oh, it's so warm. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you've learned something new. So if you want to continue watching my videos, I'm going to be doing quite a few. So if you'd like to keep watching, subscribe, but come and watch whenever you want. I hope you've enjoyed it.